All right, everyone, welcome back. Ready to dive in again. Today, we're tackling NFTs.
NFTs?
And here's the twist.
Ooh.
We're not just talking about buying or selling them.
Nope.
We're going deeper.
Way deeper.
Think like the behind the scenes
Behind the scenes? Love it.
of how NFTs are actually made.
The creation process.
Exactly. We're talking NFT standards.
The building blocks, the foundation of it all.
I like that. Building blocks. So for our listeners who are thinking, wait, NFT standards, can you break that down?
Absolutely. Think of it like this. You want to build a house, right?
Sure.
You need a blueprint. You can't just start stacking bricks randomly.
Chaos.
Total chaos. NFT standards are kind of like blueprints for NFTs. They set the rules.
The guidelines.
Yeah, guidelines for how they're created, how they work, how they're traded. It's all about making sure everything runs smoothly across different platforms, different blockchains, the whole ecosystem.
Makes sense. So are these standards like set in stone?
Well, they are designed to be pretty stable and reliable. But the cool thing about this space is that it's constantly evolving. New standards can emerge to meet new needs, and as the technology develops.
So there's not like a one-size-fits-all situation.
Exactly. There are different standards for different purposes, each with its own strengths and ideal use cases.
Okay, so let's get specific. Let's say, I wrote a tweet.
Ooh, a tweet.
Yeah, and it went viral.
Went viral, nice.
And I think, hey, I can make this an NFT.
I see where you're going with this.
Where do I even begin?
All right, first things first. Gotta choose your blockchain.
Blockchain, right? Like Ethereum?
Ethereum, yep, that's a popular one. Solana's another big player. There are others, but those are the heavy hitters.
So I pick my blockchain. Does that choice limit what kind of NFT I can create?
To an extent, yeah. Each blockchain kind of has its own dialect of NFT standards. Like Ethereum is known for its versatility, supporting a wide range of standards.
Right.
While other blockchains might specialize. Maybe one's great for gaming NFTs, another's perfect for digital art.
So you got to pick the right tool for the job.
Exactly. Figure out what you want to create, what features you need, and choose accordingly.
Right. Blockchain's chosen. What's next? Do I just upload my tweet and boom, NFT?
Not quite that simple.
Figures.
Got to pick your NFT standard next.
Another choice.
This is where it gets a bit technical. It's about choosing the set of rules that'll define how your NFT functions.
Ooh, okay. Getting deeper now.
Right, like one popular standard is ERC 721.
ERC. Heard that before.
That one's great for creating unique, one-of-a-kind NFTs. Think digital art, collectibles, that sort of thing.
So my viral tweet, that'd be ERC 721.
Probably, yeah. Unless you're planning on making limited edition copies of it.
Limited edition. Interesting.
Then you might look at ERC 1155. That one's for multiple copies of the same NFT.
So for in-game items.
Exactly. Or event tickets, things like
But
that.
standards, blockchain. Got it. So I pick my standard, I upload my tweet, walk me through the rest.
All right, so you've got your platform, you've got your standard. Now you need to actually mint your NFT.
Minting. Love that word.
Right. It's basically bringing your NFT to life on the blockchain. You'll use specific tools. There are tons of platforms out there.
So I can't just do this on Twitter?
Not directly on Twitter, no.
Okay.
You'll use a platform that interacts with your chosen blockchain, upload your tweet, input all the necessary information, and the platform will handle the minting process.
The technical stuff.
Yeah, all the behind-the-scenes magic to make it officially an NFT.
So is that it?
Almost. This is where knowing your standard really comes in handy.
Okay.
You can specify things like royalty fees every time your NFT is resold.
Ooh, getting paid.
Exactly. Ownership rights, how it can be used. You can even program in special features like unlockable content for the owner.
Wow, okay, that's way more than just a digital picture.
Right. It's about creating an asset with built-in functionality and value.
So we've gone from a viral tweet to a potentially valuable programmable asset.
That's the power of NFTs and the standards that underpin them.
Amazing. But let's zoom out a bit. Why are people doing all this? Beyond the, art and collectibles, what are some real-world use cases for this tech?
Ooh, that's where it gets really exciting. We're seeing NFTs used to verify luxury goods, like proving a handbag is actually Gucci, not a knockoff.
That's smart.
Right. Or in real estate, representing fractional ownership of properties.
So instead of buying a whole building, I can buy a piece of it as an NFT.
Exactly. And supply chains, NFTs can track products from start to finish so you know where your coffee beans really came from.
Wow, that's transparency.
And prevents counterfeiting too.
So the potential is huge.
Huge is an understatement. And new standards are popping up all the time to address these needs, which makes me wonder.
Hit me with the thought-provoking question.
As we move towards more digital ownership and decentralization, what new NFT standards will emerge? What kind of world could they create?
Ooh, that's a good one. I'll be thinking about that. Thanks for walking us through this.
Happy to do it.
I feel like we've covered a ton,
He did.
from the basics to like the cutting edge.
Cutting edge, yes.
So for our listeners, remember NFTs, it's a fast-moving space.
Always evolving.
Stay curious, explore. Who knows? Maybe you'll pioneer the next big NFT standard.
I like that.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Until next time, keep on diving.
See you next time.